Hi guys, when you fill the bachelor degree, you take care of which option you fill. For example, if in the final year, those who are in graduation like BCom, BMS, third year, engineering, fourth year, all of them are eligible for the CAT exam. If in final year you say yes, then is the bachelor degree completed? Obviously, you don't need to take mark anything. Automatically, it's coming as blank. If you say no, you are not in final year, then is your degree complete or no? So the moment you say not in final year, means you have passed out, your college is over, only exams are left. In that case, you have completed your degree? No. Till the time you pass your exams, you have not completed your degree. You have passed the final year, you have crossed the final year, but you have not yet completed. Till the time you give your exams. Okay. In that case, you have to mention no. Yeah. Yes, if you've got your degree. Simple. Yeah. Then the duration of the course, all these things come. If you say no, then you have to enter appropriate marks here. Click if you have more than one degree, then you can mention it here. The moment you say no, they're not asking you to fill your marks here. If you say yes, degree completed, then they're asking for the marks. Simple. So they made the form very simple. So if you have done it, yes. Yeah. Are you in final year? Yes. The moment you say yes, it will tell you to fill the marks because degree of the marks which you have completed so far. Okay. This is the point number 1. Yeah, if you say no, that you are not in final year, but you have completed your degree, then it'll ask you again for the marks. Otherwise, it will not ask you for the marks. Simple. Okay. Then if the college name is not in the list, just push none. Others. If the college name you can't find a list, there's the option for others. Yeah, others. Take it. The degree name, discipline, for example, not able to find a particular course which you have done, just write there others. No need to worry about that. Fine. So all the Indira Gandhi Open University, National Open University is also there. Okay, so all the universities are there. Okay. So this is point number 1. Now come to the marks. CGPA, you have to fill your CGPA. For example, Mumbai University have a formula for converting your CGPA into your percentage. The formula is available on Google. Just search out the name. Same way, Delhi University ka the formula is there. If you can find the formula, great. You have to fill according to the formula. Okay, this is what they are trying to say here in the instruction box as well. Yeah, in case you're not able to find the formula, just simply multiply by 100. Yeah, for example, you scored 7 out of 9. So 7 by 9 into 100 is your marks. Okay. So this is the way you have to fill the form in this thing. So any more questions you have regarding your this thing, we have created a Telegram group. The link is which is in the description box. You can check out that link and fill the form accordingly. Please make sure that this is the first and the last time you're going to fill the form. Yeah. Then directly you'll get the IM calls. Tomorrow if you fill the form wrong and you not get the IM calls, you will be at loss. Okay, all the best.